Take a look at this animation. Channels posting this exact style of content are pulling in tens of millions of views a month. This chart shows how those views translate into real numbers, often scaling past $3,000 in monthly revenue. Hitting even a fraction of that baseline provides a serious secondary income. Welcome to AI Academy. Today, we are going to build this exact production pipeline. You will not need an expensive PC or paid subscriptions. We're doing all of this for free, right on your smartphone. By breaking the complex animation process down into 4 straightforward AI steps, anyone can start producing high-quality 3D content today. Step 1 is building our narrative foundation. For that, we use ChatGPT as the central brain of our operation. Ask the AI to act as a scriptwriter. Give it a specific target, like a 3-minute educational story for children written in Urdu, and let it generate a complete dialogue. Once you have the story, you need visual blueprints. Tell ChatGPT to extract 3D image prompts for each scene, so your art style stays consistent from start to finish. Next, ask it to output scene-by-scene video prompts with dialogue. You will need these exact text blocks later to make your characters actually speak. Doing this heavy lifting in the text phase gives you a strict structural blueprint. It ensures you know exactly what images to generate and what lines they will say before you ever open an animation tool. Step 2 is visualization. We are taking those text prompts over to Google Gemini to render our base 3D assets. Open Gemini, click the image generation tool, and paste in the exact character and environment prompts you just built in ChatGPT. Before you hit generate, you have to add the phrase image size 16:9 to the end of your prompt. This locks your output to the widescreen format required for standard YouTube videos. Review the outputs. These free tools do a high-quality, high-definition result that fits your story. Save that static image directly to your phone. Creating these base images at the correct aspect ratio right out of the gate eliminates cropped borders and formatting errors later in the edit. Step 3 is animation. We use a tool called Google Vids. If you are on a smartphone, you must open your browser menu and enable Desktop Site for the interface to load properly. This diagram illustrates the exact path. Click Create from Scratch, navigate to Animate an Image, and prepare for upload. Select Add Image and upload that static scene from Gemini. Finally, retrieve those specific video prompts with dialogue and paste them directly into Vids. Hit Generate, and within a minute, the tool isolates the face, maps the dialogue, and turns your flat image into a moving character that speaks. These free tools do cap your daily usage. When you hit a generation limit, simply log out and sign in with a different Google account to continue working. By generating the high-quality image first in Gemini and then animating it in Vids, you bypass the low-resolution outputs that usually plague all-in-one free generators. Step 4 is the audio. For realistic, localized narration, we head over to Google AI Studio. Navigate to the Speech and Music section and select the Gemini 3.1 Flash TTS model. This visualization represents how the tool processes your text. Paste your full Urdu script into the interface, hit Run, and the model synthesizes a clean, natural-sounding voiceover file ready for download. With all your assets generated, it's time for assembly. Open any free mobile video editor and import your animated clips. Drop your AI Studio voiceover onto the timeline. Listen carefully to the cadence and align the audio waveforms so the words match the precise moments your characters move their lips. Stacking these specialized AI tools, one for text, one for images, one for motion, and one for sound, yields a final product far superior to trusting a single application to do everything. Here is the result: a cohesive scene with clear dialogue, rich environments, and smooth character motion. This completed video is now ready to be uploaded across YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook to start capturing audience share. The technical barriers to 3D animation are gone. You no longer need a studio or a rendering farm to compete in the creator economy. If you want to continue mastering practical AI workflows, subscribe to AI Academy across all our platforms. These production tools are completely free and available in your pocket right now. But the hardware does not build the channel. Showing up and uploading consistently is the only way to turn these animations into a reliable income.